Hello guys, today we have so many broken vehicles. As you can see, we have so many toy vehicles. We have to assemble all are broken. As you can see, look at this guys. These are all parts of some vehicles. Look at this. Wow guys, here we have some tires. Let's attach some tire and see what we have. Wow. Look at this guys, this is a 8-wheeler vehicle. Wow guys, look at this beautiful vehicle with amazing design and amazing color. Look at this. Wow, I guess this is a truck guys, 8-wheeler truck. And here we have other part of this vehicle. Let's attach this guys. Wow guys, look at this. We have a truck over here and this is also a part of this truck. Let's attach this one also. Look at this guys. Now our 8-wheeler loading truck is ready. Wow, look at the tires. Beautiful color, beautiful design. Let's put it over here and assemble this one. Wow, I guess this is a cement mixer truck guys. Look at this guys. Wow, this is a cement mixer truck and here we have tires of this vehicle. This is a 6-wheeler vehicle guys. Beautiful. Beautiful truck. Wow, amazing design, amazing color. Let's put it over here. This is a cement mixer truck and here we have a 3-wheeler bike, a different look bike with 3-wheeler. Here we have a tire of this vehicle. Let's attach this tire guys. Look at this guys, big size tire. And here we have the body. Let's attach this one also guys. This is the handle of this vehicle. Look at this guys. Wow, beautiful. A man is driving this vehicle. Look at this guys. Wow, beautiful. Amazing design, amazing color. And here we have this one part also guys. Now this is complete. Wow, look at this beautiful vehicle, beautiful color, beautiful design. 3-wheeler bike with amazing design. Let's put it over here and here we have a plane guys. Look at this. Look at this plane. We have some parts of this plane. Let's attach and see. Wow, this is a tail and here we have some more parts. Look at this guys. Wow, this is a plane, a fighter jet plane guys. Look at this. Now this is ready and looking so beautiful, so amazing with amazing color. Woo, woo. Look at this guys. Now we have 4 vehicles with different look, with different design. If you liked all these vehicles, then like the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye guys.